Hey everybody, good morning. This is Whipping It Up with Cherie. Y'all, I'm doing my very first video on the way I am gonna make my smoothie. So I want to get into it. This is gonna be a short video. So I have a friend that has been telling me for a while to do a smoothie. So today I'm gonna do it. And I'm going in with some frozen fruit. This has pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mango. I hope y'all are having a good day today. I'm doing really good. So that's that. Now I'm going in with some frozen blueberries as well. I love blueberries. I feel like everybody likes blueberries, but I don't know. So now I'm going with some chia seeds. Yes, I love chia seeds. Then I'm going with some honey, because who don't need a little sweetness in their life, you know? I know I do. Well, I'm already sweet enough. But that's another video. Got my honey going in. And now your girl going in with some almond milk. Yes, Lord. Come on with the almond milk. Alright, and we're finna blend this baby up. I don't want y'all to have to hear this noise. So oh my gosh, that looks so good. I'm finna get it poured up. Okay. Y'all, I'm so excited for this smoothie. Yes, yes, yes. It's gonna taste so good. And you can't have a smoothie without a metal straw. What? Don't come for me this morning. Do not come for me this morning. Okay? Let me taste it. Y'all. Y'all. And I do want to say, y'all, shout out to my friend CB. CB has been telling me to do a smoothie video for months now. And finally, I have got up the nerve to do it. And I feel like I'm going to be doing more smoothies on the video. So I do want to just say to my friend, thank you so much for encouraging me and for helping me along the way to do this YouTube channel and suggesting stuff on the channel. I really, really, really do appreciate that. So y'all, I hope y'all try this smoothie. And it had peaches, strawberries, mangoes, pineapples, and blueberries. So all frozen fruit with about a 3/4 of a cup of almond milk and about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of honey. I will put the recipe in the description box. And I hope y'all have a good day. I love y'all for watching. Thank you for all the support that I have gotten on this channel. And I really appreciate it. So y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Have a good day. Bye. I'm finna finish drinking my smoothie. Y'all, bye. Go to work.